This is what happened. I didn't see my son yet.
He said he don't want to do nothing with you.
All right, listen. This is what happened.
We know what you doing.
This is what happened. Yo, listen. The chick was like, she was like, yo, help me, help me. I was like, yo, what happened? He was like, this dude is holding me hostage. I was like, who, this dude right here? She was like, yeah. I said, then get off the train. She was like, nah, he's going to beat me up. I was like, all right, so at Morrison, I'll scoop you off. So then when I scooped her off, she started screaming, help, help. I'm like, yo, why this bitch screaming help? So I sat there. You see on the video, I sat there. So then I left. So then the dudes on the block was like, yo, why you trying to rape that chick? I'm like, yo, that was a grown crackhead that was wilding out and shit. So then they tried to jump me or whatever, they did whatever. So they took me to the precinct, they cleared my name, and now I'm free. Merry Christmas.
I didn't try to take her. I didn't try to take her. That's my word on everything I love.
That's everybody. Go on with you, brother. I got you.
That's why I kept you here. That's why I kept you here. I'm on point. I'm on point.
Is Bronxbound Local 6, Train 2, Alloway Park 1 minute away. Is Bronxbound Local 6, Train 2, Alloway Park. Approaching the station, please stay on the platform.
Yo, what's up with you, bro? You gotta talk about it now. You gotta